What's good, car fam? Thought it'd be fun to go on a quick little fun drive and do a 0 to 60 test in the 2018 B9 SQ5. Super fun family SUV that packs a punch. Like, it's super awesome. And the exhaust honestly is like the highlight to me. Like, the exhaust is the business. Absolutely love it. You can do so much to these and turn it honestly into a really fun, like, family car for sure. Like, I've seen people lower it, obviously do things to the engine. For context, this has 354 horsepower with 369 pound-feet of torque. It's their 8-speed automatic. I don't know if it's a ZF or not, but it's really good, shifts really quick. It's definitely not a dual clutch. I have a dual clutch in my A3. That one's a little bit quicker for sure. It has more of that like Porsche PDK type of timing where it's just like instant. This one is a little bit slower, but still really fast for like what it is. So yeah, you can get a ton of power out of these. If I were to do anything down the road, definitely have zero plans right now. It's just our family car that happens to be quick. But if I did something in the future, I would actually do suspension mods first. Power, like the delivery is really great. And then if you're gonna be using this like pretty consistently as a daily and stuff, your gas mileage is gonna go crazy down. If you start doing mods, it already doesn't get that great of gas. But if you do mods, then you can really kiss it goodbye. But anyway, suspension would be the first thing I would do. I would like to have less body roll, be able to have more sharper turn in, be able to turn more quickly. Even just like a basic U-turn, like I drove a BMW X3M about a week ago, and I did a U-turn in that, and it literally felt like I was in my A3, where it's just like quick and responsive. You didn't feel so much like weight moving around. And this one, it definitely has like body roll and stuff in comparison. But at the end of the day, it's like a 5,000 pound SUV, so you're gonna feel that, and this isn't ticked up to the same notch as like a X3M. But anyway, it's definitely fun, super capable. The handling is great, but it's like if you were like, let's say, to track this car, that's when you would notice like, okay, the limits for like turn in are definitely a lot lower compared to some of the other like higher performance SUVs. But this is a really great package, especially if you get this like on the used market for the price that you can get for these. It's honestly such a steal because you get all the practicality, you get the performance, the exhaust sounds amazing. Like, it sounds really, really good, and it's very addicting. So, gonna go on just a quick little back road that I really enjoy, just to be able to test it really quick. I don't launch this car all the time, but when I do, man, it's so much fun. You can feel like the fluids kind of shift a little bit in your brain, and it just gives you that fun, exciting feeling. It has a ton of torque. Yeah, it's just a beast. I really, really enjoy driving this car.